Footage from London Heathrow Airport shows heavy storm winds making it difficult for an Etihad Airlines flight to land. The video shows the Airbus A380 hovering above the tarmac at an almost sideways angle before finally touching down due to Storm Dennis. The English low-cost airline group EasyJet canceled multiple flights from London's Gatwick Airport. Storm Dennis hit Europe barely a week after Storm Sierra left thousands without electricity, caused disruption to transport, and flooded homes. Dennis has caused severe flooding in some parts of England as more than a month's worth of rain came down in just 48 hours. The storm also left 20,000 people across France without electricity as well as train disruption.